smoked it. We friggin' smoked it. We killed it. My question is, where is everybody coming from? My goal at the end of 2022 was to crush 1,000 subscribers. That was the goal, right? We restarted the channel January. I had 150 subscribers. My goal was to smash 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We freaking crushed it. Y'all crushed it. You know, I recorded and documented and tried to get better with the editing to produce great content. I'm absolutely blown away. My question is, where did all you guys come from? So if you would, throw down in the comments if you came from TikTok. I'll be doing that behind the scenes regardless if I posted on YouTube or not. So this past year when I restarted the channel, that was my thoughts was I was already very good at photography and I enjoy filming stuff, being able to document it so we can look back on it. So I said, why not? If I'm gonna already be doing this stuff, why not share it with YouTube? So that's what we did. But yeah, I'm blown away. I appreciate all the support. The Datsun's the main build on the channel. My F100 shop truck is a secondary build. I'm building that truck in memory of my dad. Growing up, my dad built Fords, and I owned several Fords growing up. Nothing cool like a shop truck. My dad did have a built Ford. It wasn't like rat rodish, hot rodish. It was more clean, nice paint job, good rims, a little bit lowered stance. But when I build that truck, I want to be able to drive it, enjoy it, think of my dad. That's the secondary build. Main build is the Datsun 240Z on the channel. But before I lose my train of thought, I have a huge ask for you guys. This question right here is a heavy question, but I'm curious you guys' thoughts on it. I'm gonna be working on the Datsun, whether I'm filming it or not, being able to share the content with you guys and also being able to record it to document it so I can look back on it. My family can look back on it years to come. That is a plus. Here's my question. Do you guys prefer the weekly uploads where I do you know, one or two things on it, record it, make it, you know, edit it, turn it into a video? Or would you guys prefer you don't see me for 3 months, but when I come back with a video, it's more of a compiled but shortened, not like it shows every single step of the process, like more of a documentary type style, not movie, but more documentary movie-ish type feature. Obviously I want the quality of the videos to get better and better, my editing to get better and better, but I'm just curious if you guys would like to see weekly uploads where I complete small projects, or you know, if you'd like one video a month or one video every 2 months, but that video shows a whole lot more progress and I can put a whole lot more time and effort into it. Because as you guys know, YouTube is a grind, especially with a full-time job, especially being married with 2 kids that wrestle and they have tournaments every weekend. So please guys, I would greatly appreciate your thoughts on this. Drop them down in the comments. I'm not going anywhere. You know, the channel's not going anywhere. I'm still gonna be working on the Datsun and my F100, but I'm just curious you guys' thoughts. If you prefer weekly uploads where we accomplish short projects, or if you would like, say the next time you guys seen me, this is just hypothetical, is I don't post another video until all the rust on this thing's done. Is that something that interests you guys? Because one, that would motivate me. I like posting videos, so if I can't post another video until all the rust is done in this car, is that something that interests you guys? Let me know. Don't fear that, oh man, this guy's talking about not uploading every week. I'm just curious what you guys prefer better. So I'm trying to keep this video short. Again, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart to all the subscribers. YouTube, a channel doesn't grow without viewers and without engaged viewers. So thank you. I would greatly appreciate it, you know, if you drop down in the comments on what you prefer. Weekly uploads with small projects accomplished, or, you know, 2 or 3 weeks go by, compile all that footage. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments. I respond to every single comment. Love chatting, love meeting people from all around the world. And real quick before you go, if you guys have a project of your own that you're working on at home, throw it down in the comments. A lot of people message me on Facebook, Instagram, and they're, you know, excited, and they say, man, thanks for the inspiration. You've inspired me to get back to work on my project. I love it. It's awesome. We all take inspiration from, you know, different places. I'm glad that I can inspire you. But if you're working on a project of your own, throw down in the comments what it is. I love talking projects. You know, one of the mottos of the channel is, if you ain't talking projects, we don't want to talk. So keep on keeping on, guys. We will see you this weekend with a new video on the Datsun. Hope you guys are excited. Don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you guys. Again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. We'll see you this weekend in the video. Peace out.